Hello and welcome back. In this video today, we're going to shed a little light on how to claim the COQ Inu Airdrop using MetaMask on your mobile phone. Now, to do this, you need a few things, and one of these will be COQ Inu token, not lower than 24 million COQ Inu token. And the more tokens you have, the more coins you would claim if you were eligible. So let's go try this and let's see what we can get from this. So the next thing to do would be to click on your browser, open up a tab on the URL bar, just impute airdrop.coqinu.online and click go. Now this loads the page for claiming the token. Now the next thing to do is click on the menu icon so you can connect your wallet. Now connect. I'm connected on this wallet and click on connect. Now I'm connected to the DApp. Now the next thing to do is to check my eligibility. I would approve, acknowledge this, and then click on continue. Now it is showing me the possible outcome I can get from this, which is somewhere around 901.5 million, I think so. So let's do the claim. Now it's going to ask us to sign a few contract calls, which is very normal for something directly on the blockchain. This is not a centralized exchange. And just hold on, allow it to do its thing. It's trying to calculate the time of the day for you and what your balance should return and all of that. You approve the second transaction and then we are well on our way. Now, as you can see, I have been gifted 1.2 million COQ Inu tokens. So I can head back to the home. So after claiming the air token, the next thing you would have to do is to convert the air tokens to COQ Inu tokens. And to do that, you would have to click on the menu and click on convert air tokens. Now, as you can see the balance I got already from claiming the air tokens. Now, this you have to wait for 24 hours before you'll be able to claim. I will not be able to claim this now even if I tried, so I will come back in the next 24 hours and then we'll complete this video. Alright guys, it's been 24 hours since we claimed our air token and it's time for us to convert to COQ Inu token. To do this, you'd have to click the menu icon, click on the convert air token, and then click on your max or any amount you wish to convert. For me, I'm clicking the max. Then the next thing to do will be to click on the convert button. Now you have to approve a few transactions so that this can be done successfully. Confirm. And it's done. We've successfully claimed 1.2 million COQ air tokens to the main tokens. So we can come back here and you see that my balance in the COQ Inu has increased from 31,800 million we had before to 33,772 COQ Inu tokens. So I hope this video has been helpful in helping to claim this. It's a little token, but who knows, maybe someone who has a serious wallet can benefit even way more from this. But I just felt like I should share this video and grow the channel. Please, if this has been helpful to you, do not forget to like, subscribe, so you can always see my posts. Turn on the bell notification, and do not fail to comment or say something if you have anything to say. I'll be in the comment section and I'll be watching. Peace.